Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you've joined me here today at this beautiful, substantial detached villa on Eastnor Grove in Leamington Spa. Property occupies a substantial plot with an in and out driveway, just a short walk into town and a short walk to the new Bold Common Park. Let's take a look inside. This really is a unique opportunity to acquire a fabulous detached character home in a beautiful location. This fabulous plot's got parking for about 20 vehicles and a wonderful rear garden. You've joined me outside in the beautiful rear garden of this amazing property where we've got a pool, various seating areas, a terrace. It really is a special place, plenty of sun coming in. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.